If you're looking to research your niche without guessing, SEO tools are your best friend, and today I'm going to show you how to use them efficiently. The key to niche research is data, not guesswork. And with the right tools, you'll be able to pinpoint the exact terms, topics, and trends your audience is searching for. By the end of this quick 3-minute tutorial, you'll know exactly how to do that, without relying on gut feelings or assumptions. Let's dive into it. The first thing you need to do is select the right SEO tool. There are a ton of options out there, but I've tried most of the popular ones. After testing them, I've found that recommended tool name is hands down the best when it comes to quick, reliable niche research. And I'm giving you an exclusive free trial in the description below, just for my channel viewers. Make sure to grab it if you want to follow along. Once you've got your tool set up, start by inputting some seed keywords relevant to your niche. These are the broad terms that describe your business or industry. For example, if you're in the fitness industry, you might start with fitness tips or workout routines. The next step is to explore search volume. SEO tools like recommended tool name provide data about how many people are searching for specific keywords each month. This will help you identify which topics are popular and which ones aren't. You want to focus on keywords that have enough search volume to make them worth targeting, but without too much competition. After that, it's time to look at keyword difficulty. This metric tells you how hard it will be to rank for certain keywords. If a keyword has high search volume but a very high difficulty score, you may want to avoid it, especially if you're just starting out. Focus on low competition, high volume keywords that you can realistically target. Now here's the secret to truly understanding your audience. Related keywords. Every SEO tool will suggest related keywords based on what you initially input. These can help you discover topics that you might not have thought of. Use these suggestions to build a list of niche topics and keywords you can target in your content. Another incredibly useful feature is search intent analysis. SEO tools can tell you whether people searching for a certain term are looking to make a purchase, find information, or solve a problem. Knowing the search intent will guide the type of content you create, whether that's blog posts, product pages, or video content like this one. Next, analyze the top ranking content for your keywords. What are other people writing about? What's missing? This is where you can stand out. Look for gaps in the content that's already out there and see if you can offer more in-depth, up-to-date, or unique information. This is key to carving out your niche. Finally, take advantage of the trend tracking Karteilen features. SEO tools like recommended tool name allow you to track how keywords are performing over time. Are they gaining popularity or losing steam? Staying on top of trends will keep your content relevant and timely. Now, I know that was a lot of information to take in, but here's your key takeaway. To research your niche without guessing, you need to use SEO tools to gather data on search volume, keyword difficulty, related keywords, search intent, competitor content, and trends. This data-driven approach will give you clarity and help you avoid wasting time on topics that won't bring results. Just to recap, start with seed keywords, analyze search volume and keyword difficulty, explore related keywords, understand search intent, check out top-ranking content for insights, and keep an eye on trends. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with the tool I use, grab your exclusive free trial from the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your niche research.